Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny, and this is Texas Style Cuisine. Appreciate you stopping by. I tell you what, you caught me on a beautiful sunshine day here in South Texas. Spring is in the air. That means grilling season is here. People are going to be outside breaking those grills out, getting ready for summer. And today we have got some fantastic Shiner Bock sausages we got in from Matador Prime Steaks, and we're going to use those to make us a great smoky sausage sandwich. So stick around. This could be a pretty simple cook, but I tell you what, these sausages, I am anxious to try these. I love sausage, and I know y'all probably seen a lot of my sausage recipes on here. And people many times go, hey, chef, why don't you show us how to cook those sausages you're making? Well, I didn't make these. Matador Prime Steaks did, but I'm going to show you kind of something to do with them today. And when you're making the kids some hot dogs, step up a little bit. Make yourself one of these great sausage dogs. And we're going to smoke these on this kettle. I've got some great pecan wood that we have on there. But we're going to take these pork sausages that they have. We're going to get them on the Weber kettle. We're going to do a away from the heat. Okay, so we're going to have an offset fire. Smoke them for a little while. Once they've come up to about that 155 degrees, I'm going to throw them on the fire. Heat them up just a little bit. Get some grill marks on them. We're going to get off and we're going to make some fantastic sandwiches out of them. So let's watch that. Okay. Now, got these sausages about ready to go on the grill. I've opened it up. Everything comes in vacuum sealed from Matador. Always happy with everything I've got from them. I tell you, I don't know if you can see it or not. Hope half my flag fell down. We'll get that put back up in a minute. But my buddy Bill over at Chicken Fried Barbecue sent me one of his flags. I had it up in the background today. Got to put it up all the way. But check out his channel. I'll put a link down below. Fire's going good. It's good hot. I've got some pecan wood on here. And I'm going to take these sausages, and I'm just going to get them on here and get them covered up. Oh, this is probably going to be around that 300 degrees, I'd imagine, in here. We may shut it down a little bit and slow it down some, but the crowd's hungry, so I don't want to go too long getting these cooked up. So let's get these Shiner Bock sausages on there. Oh, we'll bring them up maybe that 80, 90 degrees. Now, I'm thinking it'll take us about 45 minutes to get them there. So in about 20, I'm going to look at flipping them in for in. So let's cover it back up. Let them suck in some of that nice pecan smoke. Then about 25 minutes, let's get the lid off, check them out. Ooh, those are looking pretty. Got some nice color on them. I'm gonna set them right over the hot part of the grill just for a second. Ooh, what's that sizzle? Grease is popping out a little bit. Trying to get that on there. They don't have to stay here long at all. They're cooked all the way through. All I'm doing is crisping up this skin a little bit. Boy, you can tell them natural casings, they pop. That grease started coming out. They got a little char on them, so now what I'm going to do is put them in a plate, let them cool a little bit, then we'll show you how we're going to make these sandwiches. Now, what you're going to see me do with my bun here is, instead of cutting it crossways, I'm gonna cut this bun open. And this is what we call a bolillo. It's just a little white bread roll here. So we're going to open up just a small white bread, and it's very, very tasty. Now I'm going to take it, and I just have some Boarhead's Delicatessen mustard. And we're going to put a good amount in here for it. I like a lot of mustard on mine. Just going to take my spreader here a little bit and kind of work it into the bread some. All right, that part's done. And I'm going to start with my vegetables. A lot of times people don't. You go with the meat and the vegetables on top. I'm going with some vegetables in the bottom. I have some real pretty green leaf lettuce here that I've cut up into just small strips. And I'm going to lay it across the bottom of this bolillo, or our white bread. There it is. take out one of our sausages here. And I tell you what, that is a pretty sausage. Ooh, I just heard that pop when I opened it up. I like that. Give me a little more green here to help get the color flowing. Now, depending on how you like it, I'm going to put some red onions on top, just some thin strips of red onion. And then a few tomatoes. And of course, you got to have pickles. So I have some nice, again, boar's head. I love boar heads cheese and their lunch meats and stuff. And their kosher dills are great. So always want to serve that with a nice pickle. That's a great looking sandwich. See if we give one of these smoky sausage sandwiches a try. Boy, I tell you what, would you just look at that? That thing is beautiful. This Shiner Bock with that spicy mustard. Little bite of our kosher pickle. We got a lot of smoke up off that pecan wood, so that pecan wood really complemented this sausage a lot. Then we added that spicy mustard, the beautiful green leaf lettuce, tomatoes, red onions. Makes for a fantastic sandwich. You want something nice and just filling this summer? Give that a try. I tell you what, when you're making the kids hot dogs, get you some of these Shiner Bock sausages, Matador prime steaks. Throw those on the grill. And I tell you what, the big folks gonna be eating good with these. But hey, thanks for stopping by. I just hope you appreciate this. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me that thumbs up. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me some things you might want to see me cook in the future. But tell your friends and family about it. Share us on your social media. And we're going to see you down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.